Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial today, I'm going to show you how to pay with PayPal on Dhgate. So let's get into the video. So if you open up Dhgate and if you order any product here, so for example, if you choose any products here and get to add it to your cart and get to this your checkout page here. So let's say here, so just added something to my cart and then I'm here with this checkout page here. So when I want to check out here, so after I put in plug in my address and all those details here, so everything here, so now I'm on here on the payment section here. So here under payment method, I'll have this card option and then I have Skrill and other payment options here. This varies depending on your location, but most of the time you won't be able to see PayPal in this option here. So what we can do instead of that is we can simply order for a virtual MasterCard, which is through Gatsby. So if you get to Gatsby, so gatsby.com. So here, what you can do, you can just order for a MasterCard and you can order a MasterCard and you can make that payment for the MasterCard through your PayPal. So you can use your PayPal and then pay for this, pay to get this Gatsby MasterCard. So you just have to create your account and then get a virtual card. So once you get that, what you can do, you can simply come back to this option here, payment method. You can easily select a card option and then type in your MasterCard details here, which you just got it through Gatsby, and then proceed with your purchase. So this is the workaround we have at this moment, as there is no direct way to use PayPal on DHgate. So hope this information is helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.